Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the specific spreadsheet and going directly to the cell you need to change. Once there, look at the formula bar to see whether the cell holds a value, a formula, or plain text so you know how to edit it. Click the cell once to select it, then click the formula bar or press F2 to enter edit mode. Make sure you understand the current content. This prevents accidental deletion or breaking dependent formulas. Now perform the actual change using either inline editing or the formula bar. Choose what's clearer for the task. If the cell contains a formula, adjust cell references carefully. Use $1 for absolute or A1 for relative so dependent cells behave correctly. Test small edits first, then press Enter to commit the change or ask to revert if something looks wrong. Once done, scan nearby dependent cells to confirm results updated as expected, and there are no hash. Finish by verifying the change across the sheet. Force a recalculation if your app needs it, and inspect dependent cells and charts for unexpected shifts. If everything looks correct, save the workbook and consider creating a quick backup or version so you can revert if needed. If something goes wrong, undo immediately with Ctrl+Z or restore the backup. Then inspect the original cell for broken references or typographical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.